Every food has its shape, but sometimes these shapes aren't very obvious. Welcome to the Geometric Shape Food Challenge on DaRaDa. I'll be first. Oh no! Don't look!
Come on!
Let's open already. But there's a cactus. I don't want to eat cactus. It's so prickly. Hey! Now my whole mouth is covered in needles, and I didn't even get one bite.
Ow! Come on!
Don't whine, eat faster. First, I need to get rid of these needles. That's it! I can get rid of these needles right now. I can cut them with normal scissors. Not bad, great idea. What did you think? I'm super smart. Ew, how gross. Turns out the needles aren't the problem. The taste is way worse. Ew, Mary, now the whole room smells. Whatever, open yours. Just look at this delicious ice cream. I want to eat it now. Stop, don't eat anything. Why? Because the ice cream is round. And who has round food? I do. So you don't get to eat these scoops. They're mine. How tasty.
What a fuck!
So it's like that. I'm gonna get you. How do you like your ice cream with some hot air? What now? How do you like that ice cream? I, of course, wanted to eat it like it is, but Mary won't let me. So now I'm gonna have to get mean. What happened? Why did my ice cream melt? It's because it's mine. See? The triangle cone. Now all this ice cream is mine. Looks tasty. Of course it is. What are you looking at, Chelsea?
Come on!
Only you left. That's right. How lucky. What a surprise. Just look at this big appetizing sandwich. There's so many delicious ingredients. It tastes like a dream. Melts in my mouth. What's dripping? Think ketchup.
What?
Come on. And it's so tasty. I need to get that sandwich. And I know how. What's with you, Mary? Me? Nothing. You guys figured that out, and this sandwich is mine. Look what Clarissa's doing to your food. Hey you! What are you doing? What? This sandwich is mine. See? It's a triangle. So it can't be yours. Got it? That means you decided to start a war. Well, you're gonna get a war. We'll see how you like this now. This is such a good sandwich. Oh, but there's something wrong! Help! Help! Come on, drink! And there's spicy sauce in the bottle. What have you done to me? Girls, don't fight. I'll be first. Look at this delicious cake.
Come on!
What do I have?
What?
Oh, Korean noodles. This is weird, but probably tasty. I got super lucky. I told you. I have such a tasty and appetizing pizza. And I'll eat first. Stop! See? You have berries on your cake, and they're round, so that means they're mine. So give them here.
What?
Berries? Round? So we're gonna be looking at everything now. Well, fine. Here are your berries. Catch!
Ow.
That mess looks great on you. Laugh all you want. Now the berries are mine.
What?
And I have tasty frosting. And a tasty cake. By the way, there's berries inside too. But I ate those. Very tasty. Mary, now it's your turn. That's it! I actually got really hungry, and these pieces of pizza are gonna be great. Pieces?
Wow.
That's it! They're in a triangle shape. All triangles are mine, so give me my pizza. No, I won't. It's mine. Don't even think about it.
No.
I'm thinking about it. Give it here.
What?
Hey! Hey!
Oh no!
Why are you fighting and I have to suffer? Not fair. But this pizza is still mine. Got it? I don't care whose pizza it is. It's all your fault, Mary. How could you? Thanks to you, I dropped my pizza. I'm gonna get you. Take that. And that. Enough! I hope it'll be tasty. Ah! We're gonna drown in noodles! Save us!
What?
Whose fault is this? Mary? You broke everything. Hey, these noodles aren't half bad. I like it. She's crazy, eating dry noodles.
What's the matter with you?
Let's open on 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Hooray! I'm lucky. Skittles.
Ooh la la.
Me too. Hubba bubba.
Oh!
I have a carrot. That's really weird.
Okay.
Agreed. Well, I'll eat first. First, I need to get rid of the wrappers. I did that fast. Now I need to fit all the gum in my mouth.
Cool.
But I don't want this to be too boring. So I'm gonna throw these up and catch them in my mouth. Whoa, you're a real pro. Thanks, girls. But that's not all. Time to blow a bubble. Not funny. That was just the first try. Thanks to you, I lost my gum. Ew, it's all in hair. I can't chew this. How gross. Well, it was still cool. Mary, your turn.
Okay.
Finally. I've dreamed of Skittles my whole life. So great that I got lucky. I love these candies. They're so bright and tasty. Why don't I do this in a way so that everyone can see the candy?
Come on!
Now you can watch and be jealous of my candy. It's really, really tasty.
Ooh la la.
So you want us to be jealous? You call yourself a friend. I know how to get you back. Stop! No! No! Achoo! Oh, I didn't mean that. Sorry.
What? What?
It's fine. At least now we can try the Skittles. Yeah, this turned out to be fun. I like it. But Clarissa still has a whole carrot. Eat.
Come on!
Fine, I'll try. This carrot is really tasty. Now I know why bunny rabbits like it so much.
Cool.
Oh,
What?
there's something wrong. Ah! It was a poison carrot. Now I'm an evil bunny. I'll eat you all, not the carrot. Ah! Bunny attack! Let's go run! Scaredy cats. It was just a mask.
What?
Weird. Where's that smoke coming from? I think it's coming from here. Of course! It's fresh waffles. What do you have?
Come on!
I have a watermelon. And it's huge. Ah! My pepper! And it's not small. Whoa, cool. That means you try.
Come on!
No, please. It's so spicy. Let's hope everything will be okay.
Okay.
That's not enough. Bite more. Dang. More, even more. Maybe that's enough. I feel sick. That looks scary. I'm on fire, help! Don't burn us, be careful. I think it's done. I can eat. Ah, my waffle! This is all Clarissa's fault. We need to put you out. Give me that watermelon. Where? What will I eat? Ooh, that's much better. Finish your watermelon. There's nothing left. Oh, no, there is. Cool. That means I can take a bite. I don't have anything left.
You look first, Emma. No way. This is the newest iPhone. And this is a blast from the past. But that smell is timeless. This thing is chocolate.
No!
Bon appetit. Me, I'm gonna start making some calls. Hello?
What?
What's wrong with this thing?
What a fuck!
I don't want to burst your bubble, but that's also chocolate. Yummy. I'll just keep this then. But it was mine, and you ate it. Where's our food? Looks like only my portion is missing. Fortunately, mine isn't, and these Twix look just amazing. Caramel goodness. I don't plan on going hungry, thank you very much. Chels, can I have one? Thanks. Now to improve this bite-sized piece. Now that's what I'm talking about it. Chelsea, what do you want? Share, please. No. How rude. I think I ought to teach you a lesson.
What?
Bye-bye. And now this bar is all mine. I can't believe it. Chocolate corn on the cob?
What?
Popcorn is much more appetizing. I can't believe my luck. I am a bit bummed I didn't get that, but I'll eat what I was served. Not too shabby. Well, that went quickly. But I have a plan to get myself something else to eat. I'll just plant this and water it. Now we wait.
What?
Whoa! You grew a new piece of corn! I'll bet I can do the same.
What?
All you did was water it, right? Earthquake. My cereal doesn't look really appetizing. I've got no complaints about my dish. I love all forms of chocolate chips. There's no need to brag. I hope the taste makes up for its appearance. I really like it, actually. Whoa, a gold necklace? I have to try this on. I've got something here too. Cheap plastic? I'm no stranger to DIYs. I can make this shine in no time. I think it's perfect. What a little burger! Not at all like yours, Emma. I'll have to make do with what I got. I don't even know where to start with this thing. It's so big.
What a fuck!
I would love to try a bite, but I knew you'd say no. I think this calls for some help from my magic wand again. Ugh, I so don't want some sad little burger. Here. How did I not see these before? Fantastic. I'd much prefer soda over Mentos. Too bad it's mine.
Come on!
What a weird color.
What?
Oh, this is chocolate sauce. Odds are these aren't typical Mentos either then. Just as I thought. Oh, I'm sure these would go great with your drink. Do you know any word but no? Well, here's a little surprise for you then.
Ow!
That was uncalled for.
Oh, man!
I love these chocolate candies. They look to die for, that's true. Why is your dish always better? There's just nothing that compares to these.
Oh, really?
There's barely anything in the bag. And it kind of looks like cat food. Last one. All out. Give me some of yours, Emma. I'm getting really tired of you asking. What did you do? You left me with no choice. These are really good. Nice. What pretty beads. Ooh, absolutely fabulous. My gut's telling me that this is chocolate. I knew it. I hope I'm just as lucky. Ouch, that hurt. This is a real necklace. That means these are precious jewels. Pearls.
Oh, really?
That's better than chocolate. Don't be too happy, though. What are you gonna do now? What happened? How'd it break? Dunno. This is the worst thing I could have imagined. Luck is just not on your side today. Do you see how ripe and wonderful these strawberries are? They'll go perfectly with the chocolate. Heavenly. Fingers crossed the chocolate covers the onion taste at least. No, that is beyond revolting. Well, misery loves company, so take a nice big whiff, Emma. My eyes are watering uncontrollably. It worked. Now you won't be able to see me take this. How dare you try and pull something like that? Revenge is served. More onion? Where'd this come from? Bon appetit.
And the counter will be Samantha. Dang, no fair. Fine, okay. 1, 2, time to hide. I found a really good hiding place. I don't think anyone will find me here.
Hey!
What's that moving? Ah, a spider! And it's really candy! How gross! Oh, what are these safes?
What?
They're so bright and pretty.
Wow.
I like the pink one the best. I want to know what's inside. Oh, what is that? I think it's pulling me. Help! Well, time for me to look for my friends. Emma, I see your legs. You could hide better. Where's Alice?
Hey!
I don't know, but there's a weird door. Maybe she's in here.
Hey!
A key.
What?
There's no way she'd fit in this tiny safe. Let's open it and find out. Ah! I'll be first. But weird, it's empty. Where's the poop? Ah! A cockroach! It's crawling on me! Get away! Ah! Oh, come on. He's not so scary, see? I would even say he's cute.
Oh,
You know what you need to do.
No! Gross!
No, I won't. Look how scary it is. So gross.
What?
While you take care of that, I'm gonna open my safe.
Okay.
Oh, I'm lucky. Look at my huge Oreo cookie. Cool.
Okay.
What's waiting for me? Not bad. This is an unusual stick.
Hey! What? What?
Just need to see what this can do. How cool! I can make everyone float in the air. I think this is a really good time. No, that's not cool. So don't do that. You play with your stick, but I'll be busy with my huge, wonderful cookie.
Please.
Maybe I can have a bite. No, I can do this myself. This is really tasty. So it's like that. Fine.
Oh, yeah.
I have one real clever, mean plan for revenge. How about a cockroach?
Oh, no!
I won't say anything. The cockroach is really small. Really? No big deal. I'll take the cookie. I think it should be in my mouth. Hey, you're so mean! Thief! Last trick?
Come on!
Look how Emma eats the cockroach.
Oh, no!
This isn't funny, but I need to do this fast. Good job! You're really strong. No! I let the cockroach fly away.
What?
But Emma, you still have to eat it. Well, thanks, Samantha. Ew, this is so gross. I thought you were my friends.
Hey, you.
That's right.
Gross!
I have an interesting thought. If my wand can make anything fly, that means it can also make treats fly to me. Look, there's a huge bunch of different sweets. If there's so many treats, you won't mind if I steal just one piece of candy. Wow, there's enough for everyone. My wand broke. Now all I can do is eat the candy that's already here. You have enough for a whole year. This time I'll be the first to open. I think something nice is in here. That's it! A whole can of my favorite cola. Ah! Why was I so scared? Now I'm gonna open the cola. Alice, what do you think? No, don't! Don't worry, everything's okay. I'm lucky the cola's still in the bottle. Wonderful, that means I can open my safe. Oh no! How did they know I hate this food so much? I hate lemons. This is what I got. I'm so unhappy.
Wow.
Really lucky. I wonder what I will have. Not bad, it's a candy cloud. And I have so many candies. Hands off, and that means everyone. I won't let you steal my candy. They're mine and only mine. I don't need to. I have cola. Too bad. She has to be pretty fat to fit all of that in her mouth. I think I'm sick. Girls, back away. Ew, gross. gross. Smells bad. Don't you have any manners? That wasn't all. Here comes more. How gross! Emma, why aren't you eating?
Come on!
Because I hate lemons. Although I have an idea for what I can do. I should take this trash and turn it into delicious lemon juice.
Wow.
How naive. You think that your juice is gonna be better than the lemons? I'll show you. You're just jealous.
Hey! Hey! Oh no!
Hey, you!
Oh, turns out you were right. I can't even keep this in my mouth. What are you doing? It's all over us. Yeah, that's gross. I got it in my eyes.
Come on!
Where's my candy? Cloud, where's my candy? Yay! Now I have a whole bunch of Skittles. There's enough for everyone. No way, this is my Cloud, and I don't plan on sharing.
Yeah!
I think I can just take it. No, you can't. It's mine, and it's gonna stay mine. Since you all know that Skittles are amazing. What do I have this time? I think it's something cool again. Yay! Wow. Look at this donut. Not only can I eat it, I can play with it. Oh, I still need to learn to catch it. I wonder where the safe went. But alright, who cares? I'm only thinking about this appetizing donut.
Please.
Yeah, can I have a bite? No way! Thanks to you, I bit my finger. No, it hurts. No big deal. I always have Band-Aids on me. Cool, thanks so much. I wonder what it'll be.
Okay.
Dang, this is gross.
Hey,
I'm unlucky again. I hate eggs. Especially raw. What do I do with these? Here, I'll help.
Hey!
Oh, sorry. Looks like an appetizing omelet. Come on, time to eat. I'm sick of this.
Okay.
What?
Look how cute! Now this is my little chick. I also want a chick.
Okay.
Dang, why do I have one egg? Because only nice girls get cute little chicks.
Yeah!
I wonder what's in the safe. I think it's a bomb!
What?
What? A bomb? We need to hide! Help! I think I can stop it. I have pliers.
Hooray!
Oh, I think I made it worse. Lay down.
What?
Not bad.
Wow.
Just look at this candy. I think it's a candy bomb. Cool. Now my chick has a little brother. You can always find more interesting challenges on DaRaDa. Stay here and it'll be fun.